permanent wave service. You will need the following items. You will need a large Ziploc bag labeled permanent wave service, pre-sanitized implements. You will need gloves. You will need to maintain your drape, so you will need 2 towels and a cape. You will need an applicator bottle labeled simulated product. You will need perm rods. You will need cotton. You will need end wraps. You will need clippies. You will need a rat tail comb. And lastly, you will need an all-purpose comb. That concludes the items needed for your permanent wave service.